How to download the YouTube Create app and use it for video creation. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, in order to download the app, simply go ahead and open your app store and tap on the search bar and search for YouTube Create. You will then see the YouTube Create app option there. Simply tap on it and further tap on the get option you see there, and you will be required to enter your Face ID or password of your Apple ID in order to download the app. So simply enter that and then wait for the download to complete, and once completed, open the application. I will simply tap on the open option here since I have already downloaded the application. You will then be led to the login portal of YouTube Create. So tap on the sign in option you see there and then go ahead and sign in with your Google or YouTube account, and this will connect your edits directly to your channel. Now, here tap on the plus icon or the new project option you see there and then go ahead and allow access to photos and videos from your camera roll. Further, go ahead and import the photos or videos from your camera roll that you want to edit. You can then go ahead and simply trim your clips or split scenes from your clip or rearrange the footage of the videos that you have added as per your preference. Additionally, you can use tools inside the app such as text overlay or simply text or sound or transitions or stickers or sound effects. You can also add royalty-free music if required. Further, tap on the sound icon you see there and then go ahead and choose music tracks, voice recording, or sound effects. You can then go ahead and add in captions or subtitles for better engagement in your shorts or post. This is especially used for shorts, tutorials, or social media videos. Once you are done making all the required changes, simply tap on the export button on the top right of your screen and then go ahead and choose a resolution which is 1080 pixels recommended for better and the best resolution. You can then go ahead and simply wait for the export to complete, and once completed, you can also directly upload it to YouTube by tapping on the upload button you see there, or else it will simply be saved to your camera roll. So this was about how you can download YouTube Create application and use it further for video creation. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.